Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to lock your profile on X. Okay, so first of all, open X on your device. You want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu, you have to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Your settings are divided into different sections. You need to go to section privacy and safety. At the top of your screen, you should select audience and tagging section and go to option that is called protect your posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for locking your profile on X. So let's turn this on. And from this moment, only your current followers on X are able to see your posts on your page. And any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you follower request that you must manually decline or approve. Tap your profile picture, and here from the list of those pages, you need to select follower requests, where you can manage your followers. You can accept them or decline them. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.